Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to build a real-time stock advisor using n8n Lovable website, Finnhub APIs, and LLM assistant, all triggered by single button. Click on your website. So this is the Lovable app where you can build your own websites with a few prompts. For that, you need to sign up, and it will give you few credits. With the credits, you can build your own website. So here I have asked just the few prompts like it has to build me a header line, text, and with an single button, analyze stock button. So it has built this website. So once I click the analyze stock button, this request will be passed to n8n workflow. It will process the request and will send the response back. So by the time it sends, it has to wait. So now let's go to n8n workflow. See here, this is the webhook, and this is the URL I have given. And using post method, I'm getting that request. And this is the code node. Once I get the response will be in JSON, and from that I'm just extracting the stock symbol in the code node, as you can see. And here I'm using JavaScript as language. You can also use Python. And one this stock symbol output is passed to two HTTP requests uh, to Finnhub. Finnhub is a powerful tool for getting real-time stock data. If, so once I get the stock symbol, I'm passing that to this Finnhub by making a API request. It one is for fetching the company profile, and another gets the latest code. See, this is the one which I'm getting the company profile details, and the other one I'm getting code details of that stock. Then the responses of these both are merged together to a single one based on the position, and mode I'm using is combine, and the merged information is passed through LLM. Here I'm asking LLM to act like a financial assistant, and I'm connecting it to a open router chat model, which it will act like a brain for LLM. So, and I'm also giving the prompt for the LLM that to act like a financial assistant. So yeah, so that it gives me the response in an friendly and engaging way. Once I get the response, I am passing it to the respond to webhook. So respond with first incoming item. I'm choosing the first incoming item. You have various options. I'm choosing the first incoming item. Once the response is there, you can see it here. So let me execute. So here the webhook is waiting for the request to listen, and you can see he and the code. You can see here the input which we got. The request is in form of JSON, and I'm just extracting the stock symbol, which is Microsoft. You can see here the output, and making the HTTP request to Finnhub. I'm passing the stock symbol as well as the API key so that it integrates to Finnhub, and n8n will integrate with to Finnhub. So the company profile, this is the Finnhub website. I mean, with this company profile, profile, it is passing the output with the response attributes, country, currency, exchange, so and so, and the code you can see here. This the input I'm passing, and the output I'm getting this one, and you can see it also in Finnhub application also. And then I'm merging it to a single JSON response, those two inputs based on the combined mode, and then I'm passing to LLM so that it gives me a response in a friendly and engaging way. And this response you can see it in webhook, and passing it to Lovable. See, you can see the response here. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.